How to reactivate your Revolut account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll go to show the steps and how you can reactivate your Revolut account. Now the process is simple and easy, so let me guide it through. To reactivate a Revolut account that was closed by you, you can reach out to Revolut support via the in-app chat and request live agent assistance. You'll need to have your ID document ready. Revolut may be able to guide you through the process if it is possible to reactivate your account. If your account was closed by Revolut, unfortunately, you won't be able to reopen it. However, if you deactivated it or closed it and you want to reactivate it, simply head over and go to the login page and there using your credentials to log in. If it asks you for reactivation, you can click on reactivate and go to the prompts to reactivate. If you're not getting such option, what you can do is you can head into revolut.com and head over to help, and you can head over to contact us option. Now here you can see the contact us, chat to us directly. You can tap on visit the in-app chat and chat directly. However, you'll need the application as I told you before. Then you can ask them to deactivate your account. Make sure you have your documents ready for verification. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.